Saturday morning. One of our good friends let me borrow their fat bike. Doing a little cut through our neighborhood to get to some of the gas roads out here. Got my camera. It's golden hour. Gonna go get some awesome shots by the lake. Nice sunrise this morning. Getting some shots of the lake here. Doing it with the drone. Trusty steed. A bunch of waterfowl out there taking off for their morning flight. We're at a roller skate rink.
Okay, crossover girl. Yeah, go! You got it.
I think it's harder to skate with the toddler than the toddler has time skating.
Yeah.
Woo, the sweat. There you go. We're roller skate princesses. Yay! I think that's cheating. It's Sunday, January 14th, and we are going to try something today. We are going to do some fat biking in the snow today. We're at Glade Run Recreation Area, and we're going to try the TowWhee system. So connect it to the seat, to the bike. They are about $30–40 on Amazon, and we'll see how it goes. Going up the first little hill here. This is where the TowWhee really comes in handy. Other times when I've had him ride bikes with me, he ends up kind of lagging behind and have to wait But with this, he pedals as much as he feels like he needs to. And then he's tethered to me, so he stays up with me. And no one's waiting on anyone. No one's crying. So far, so good. Oh, here comes a little dip. Here we go. Woo! Just stay straight, stay straight, stay straight. Stay straight, there you go. I'd say fat biking in the snow was a success, especially with the TowWhee. We've got about another mile to get back. We did about 4 total. And we're just enjoying being outside. It's right even now. He's a little tired, so he's taking a break. And I'm doing all the pedaling. Definitely saves time in not having to take as many breaks. And we can just kind of keep going with the ride. Got about another 1/4 mile to go. And until the next adventure. Okay, we're all done. How'd you do?
Good. Yeah, awesome. Great time.
Cool. The best part about things that assist you in the outdoors with children is that you get to spend more time with them, and you're creating a little outdoor person that for in the future they can enjoy the outdoors and possibly continue to enjoy with you when you're older. All right, you ready to go home?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, ready for some lunch?
Oh yeah, I'm starving.
All right, let's go. All right. We're in Durango and we're running on the Animas River Trail today. It's January, Saturday, it's winter. We're trying to get a good training run in for the day. We got lots of snacks loaded up for the kids on this run. Taking a whole lunchbox worth. Loading them up for easy access.
Look at me go!
We are more than halfway done with the run. Our goal for today was 12.5 miles. We did 12 miles, 12.5 miles, doing the final death march to the car here.
Uphill. Both ways.
John did awesome.
Woo!
12.5 miles on his bike. Joey rode. She ran a little too. Jess and the dog, 12.5. And we're all done. We're gonna go do something else now.